In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert multiple images into one PDF. We'll keep this simple and reliable using tools built right into Windows. Start by placing all the images you want to include into a single folder. This keeps everything in one place and makes selection and sorting easier. Next, rename the files so they appear in the exact order you want them to show up in the PDF. Windows sorts alphanumerically, so adding numbers at the beginning is the safest approach. For example, 01, 02, 03 works better than 1, 2, 3 if you have more than 9 images, and it guarantees the right sequence. Keep the names short and consistent to avoid unexpected sorting issues. Once your images are ready, select the ones you want to include. You can press Ctrl+A to select all the files in the folder, or hold Ctrl and click each image to pick and choose specific ones. With your images highlighted, right-click any selected image and choose Print. This opens the photo printing dialog, which we'll use to create the PDF. At the top, open the Printer drop-down and choose Microsoft Print to PDF. This tells Windows to create a PDF file instead of sending anything to a physical printer, so you get a clean, shareable document. Now choose a paper size that fits your needs, like letter or A4. Pick the size that matches your region or the requirement you've been given. This choice sets the page dimensions of your PDF and helps ensure consistent formatting if you plan to share or print it later. Leave the print quality at 600 by 600. That default is a great balance, giving you crisp, readable images without creating a file that's unnecessarily large. Make sure Fit Picture to Frame is turned on. This setting scales each image so it fills the page appropriately, helping you avoid awkward borders and ensuring the content isn't cut off. Take a moment to look at the preview on the right. You should see each image on its own page in the exact order you set with the file names and filling the page neatly. When everything looks good, click Print. You'll be prompted to choose where to save the PDF. Pick a location you'll remember, give the file a clear name, and click Save. And that's it. Your selected images are now combined into a single PDF in the precise order you planned. The original images remain untouched, and you've got a tidy, professional-looking document ready to share, store, or upload.